to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your chemistry for class 11th, and that is your class 19. Here we had done your class 18 in the last classes, and today we're gonna continue. And in the same way, we had covered up the part 1 till unit 7 in the last classes. Your part 2 we had started with, which is unit 8, and that is your redox reaction, which we have to cover up here, which we had even though cover up. Unit 9 is your hydrogen, which even though we had cover up here. And this in this class we'll continue with unit 10, that is the name of the unit is the S block element. So stay tuned with us, and please like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So here we go, unit 10. The S block elements. So for the S block element here, we have to cover up, we had done lastly the sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is baking soda, and NaCl sodium chloride as well. We had done the biological importance of the sodium and potassium also we had done. Now we'll discuss about the group 2 element, because group 1 alkali metals we had done in the last classes, totally with their characteristics, with their properties, with their importance as well. Now we're gonna start with the group 2 element, that is alkaline earth metal. So we go for it. Group 2 element, alkaline earth metals. So in the same way here, for alkaline earth metal, here the group 2 element that comprise the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. They follow alkali metal in the periodic table, and these except beryllium are known as alkaline earth metal. The first element, beryllium, differs from the rest of the members and shows diagonal relationship to aluminium, and the atomic and physical properties of the alkaline earth metal are that we discussed here in the table. Now first we understand about the electronic configuration. So in terms of electronic configuration, here these elements have 2 electrons in the s orbitals of the valence shell, and their general electronic configuration may be represented as noble gas, which is Ns2, and like alkali metal, the compound of these elements are also predominantly ionic here. So we go and study the discuss about the table here. So first we have elements, the second we have symbol, third is electronic configuration. So here now we go for it. The first element we have beryllium. Symbol for beryllium is Be, and the electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2. The another element is your magnesium. The symbol is Mg. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p5 2p6 3s2. Another element is your calcium. The symbol is Ca. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2. The another we have is your strontium. That is your Sr. And electronic configuration we have Ns 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 5s2. Another element is your barium. The symbol is your Ba. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3d10 4s2 4p6 4d10 5s2 5p6 6s2 or xenon 6s2. The other we have is your radium. Symbol is Ra. Electronic configuration is Rn 7s2. This is all that what we have predominantly ionic, that for element symbol with their electronic configuration of alkaline earth metal. Okay, now other than that I will be discussing here, that is for another one, and that is for atomic and ionic radii, and for that as well we have to discuss here, so we go for it. Atomic and ionic radii. For atomic and ionic radii here, that the atomic and ionic radii of an alkaline earth metals are smaller than those of the corresponding alkali metals in the same period, and this is due to the increased nuclear charge in these elements within the group. The atomic and ionic radii increases with increase in the atomic number. So we go for the table here, that we have to discuss atomic and physical properties of the alkaline earth metal. So we go for it, and here we go. Atomic and physical properties of alkaline earth metal. So the first we have is your property. Then we have beryllium. Then we have your magnesium, Mg. Then we have calcium, Ca. Then strontium, Sr. Barium, Ba. Then radium, that is Ra. Okay, so we have to go for it one by one. Okay. Although the first property we have is atomic number. The another property we have is atomic mass. Mole inverse. Then electronic configuration. Then ionization enthalpy. Then further we have your another one, which is your, first we complete this and then we'll continue with the next. So for atomic number for beryllium is 4, atomic number of magnesium is 12, atomic number of calcium is 20, atomic number of strontium is 38, atomic number of barium is 56, and atomic number of radium is your 88. Now coming to the atomic mass of that is beryllium is 9.01. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24.31. Atomic mass of calcium is 40.08. Atomic mass of strontium is 87.62. Atomic mass of barium is 137.33. Atomic mass of radium is 226.03. Now electronic configuration of barium is He2S2, magnesium Ne3S2, argon 4S2, krypton 5S2, xenon 6S2, and rin 7S2. Ionization enthalpy of beryllium is 899, magnesium 737, 590, 549, 503, and 509. These were the ionization enthalpy of each and every element that we had discussed in alkaline earth metal. Now we'll go for another property, and that is the another property we have after ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy, this is this ionization enthalpy 1, and we'll discuss for ionization enthalpy 2. So the another property for ionization enthalpy 2, then we have your hydration enthalpy. Then after hydration enthalpy we have metallic radius. Then after metallic radius we have ionic radius. Then after ionic radius we have melting point. Then we have your boiling point. Then we have density. After that, standard potential. Then we have standard potential, and then we have lastly occurrence in lithosphere. So now we do one by one. After that, what we had left, so ionization enthalpy 1, then after ionization enthalpy 2 is 1757, one thousand four fifty, 1145, 1064, 965 and 979. Then we have your hydration enthalpy is minus 2494, minus 1921, minus 1577, minus 1443, minus 1305. Now metallic radius, it is 111, 160, 197, 215, 222. Then we have for ionic radius 31, 72, 100, 118, then 135 and then 148. So here fill this is 1560, 924, 1124, 1062, 1002 and 973. Boiling point 2745, 1363, 1767, 1655, 2078 and 1973. Another we have density for it. It is 1.84, 1.74, 1.55, 2.83, 2.63, then 3.59 and then 5.5. That is another we have as minus 1.97, minus 2.36, minus 2.84, minus 2.89, minus 2.92 and minus 2.92. Occurrence in lithosphere is 2 abstract, 2.76 abstracts, 4.6 abstract, 384 abstract, 390 abstract, and 10 double abstract. So this is all what we have in the occurrence here, which is ppm as your part per million and percentage by weight. That is the double abstract which we had symbolized here. On the same way, we go for another one. We'll discuss about the ionization enthalpy, then hydration enthalpy, physical properties. All those we had discussed here. So we go one by one here for the same, and that is the main important one. So we go for it, and that is ionization enthalpy. So in terms of ionization enthalpy, here we talk about for ionization enthalpy here. So we go for ionization enthalpy. In terms of ionization enthalpy here, that is the alkaline earth metal that have low ionization enthalpies due to the very large size of the atom. Since the atomic size increases down the group and their ionization enthalpy decreases, so the first ionization enthalpies of the alkaline earth metal are higher than those of the corresponding group 1 metal, and this is due to their small size as compared to the corresponding alkali metal. It is interesting to note that the second ionization enthalpy of the alkaline earth metal are smaller than those of the corresponding alkali metal. Now coming towards another one, which is your hydration enthalpies. So for the same, we go for hydration enthalpy. So for hydration enthalpy, like alkali metal ion, the hydration enthalpies of alkaline earth metal ion that increase in ionic size down the group, and that will be noted as Be, that is your 2 plus is greater than Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus greater then Sc2 plus, Sr2 plus greater Ba2 plus. So this is the hydration enthalpy of alkaline earth metal and ions that are larger than those of the alkali metals ions, and thus compounds of alkaline earth metal are more extensively hydrated than those of alkali metals. Example, MgCl2 and CaCl2 exist as MgCl2.6H2O and CaCl2.6H2O, while NaCl and KCl do not form such hydrates. Now we talk about physical properties here. In terms of physical properties, where the alkaline earth metal in general are silvery white, lustrous, and the relatively soft but harder than the alkali metal. Beryllium and magnesium appear to be somewhat grayish. The melting and the boiling point of these metals are higher than those of corresponding alkali metals due to the smaller sizes, and the trend is however not systematic, and because of the low ionization enthalpy they are strongly electropositive in nature, and the electropositive character that increases down the group from Be to Ba, and from that of calcium here, and in the same way we that what we have to talk about it. So for the calcium here, so calcium, strontium, and barium impart the characteristic brick red, crimson, and apple green color respectively to the flame. In a flame, the electrons are excited to the higher energy levels, and when they drop back to the ground state, energy is emitted in the form of a visible light. And the electron in beryllium and magnesium that are too strongly bound to be excited by flame, and hence these elements do not impart any color to the flame. The flame test for Ca, strontium, and beryllium is helpful to detection in the qualitative analysis and estimation by flame photometry. And the alkaline earth metal, like those of alkali metals, have high electrical and thermal conductivities, which are typical characteristics of metals here. Now we talk about for another one, which is being about chemical properties. So we go for the same here. So that what we'll be discussing in the next coming class, but we'll start discussing about it, so that you will get to know about here, and that is the chemical properties. So here the rest will discuss in the 20th class, but I just told you in a short. In chemical properties, the reactivity towards airs and water, reactivity towards the halogens, and reactivity towards hydrogen, reactivity towards acid, reducing agent, solutions in the liquid ammonia. Then we'll discuss about the uses, and then another general category about the halides, oxides, and hydroxides. These were all about the topics that we had left here, and that we'll discuss in the next coming classes. So here we're gonna end up with thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. So other than chemistry, we are dealing with the quantitative aptitude, where we had completed, started with arithmetical ability, and half of it we had completed that. After that we talk about it. Yes, we had started with the physics part 1 for class 11. We surely been ending it up that soon. Other than that, we had done your reasoning, which is verbal reasoning and the non-verbal reasoning. In terms of chemistry, coming towards it, so yes, chemistry part 1, which we had even though completed here, that is your chemistry part 1, where we had completed some basic concepts of chemistry, structures of atom, classifications of element and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure, states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium. And then after that we have to cover up the unit 8, which we had started, that is your redox reaction, where we had completed the classical ideas of redox reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction, redox reaction in terms of electron transfer reaction, oxidation number, redox reaction in an electrode process. In unit 9 we have to cover up the hydrogen. We had covered up, that is the positions of hydrogen in a periodic table, dihydrogen, preparations of dihydrogen, properties of dihydrogen, hydrides, water, hydrogen peroxide, heavy water, dihydrogen as a fuel. Then unit 10 we have the S block element, group 1 element, which is alkali metal. We had covered up, that is your general characteristics of the compound of alkali metal, anomalous properties of lithium, and some important compounds of sodium we had done. Biological importance of sodium and potassium we had done. Group 2 element, alkaline earth metal, we had started off, which we had completed. General characteristics of the compounds of alkali metal we have to start with. Then we'll discuss about the anomalous behavior of beryllium, some important compounds of calcium, and biological importance of magnesium and calcium. Then we'll end up with unit 10 as well. After that we'll have to cover up the unit 11, that is the P block element. The unit 12th is your organic chemistry, some basics, principles, and technique. Unit 13 is your hydrocarbon. Unit 14 is your environmental chemistry. So thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you.